Hey guys, and welcome back for another video. Now in today's video we're going to be going over the intelligent path to $10,000 a month in 2023. So if you're looking to make money online, this video is going to be an absolute gem for you. So let's get straight into it. Now on the screen here we have got a chart, and I'm going to be running you guys through some interesting stuff. So the first thing I want to go over is the offer. So anyone who's wanting to make money online, the first thing you need to dial in is your offer. And the reason you need to dial in your offer is because the offer is one of the most important parts within any business, because you need to provide value or you need to offer something in exchange for money. So essentially your offer is what are you offering in exchange for money. So some people, whether you're doing e-commerce, it would be you're offering good quality shoes, or whether you're doing social media marketing, it'd be you're offering social media marketing services for money, and that is essentially your offer. Now, when it comes to making an offer, you need to make sure it is really good, because if it's not good, then you're going to struggle scaling that offer, and you're going to have many issues down the road when it comes to actually making money from that specific offer. So as we can see here, the business flow that most people go through is they have offer one, they try it out, they don't see much success. They go offer two, they try it out, they don't see lots of success. Offer three, and then so on and so on, until they eventually reach around about, offer six, offer seven, offer eight, where they can kind of look for good business opportunities, and they then make the right call with the right offer, and they can then scale it up to $10,000 a month. So getting the right offer is a really critical process, and it's a mistake so many people make, which actually is the reason that they don't hit $10,000 a month as quick as possible. So you need to dial in on your offer. So what makes a good offer? Well, the first thing that makes a good offer is low competition. No matter how good the offer is, if you've got 10,000 or you've got 100,000 other people doing it, then you're going to struggle, especially in some markets. The next, the offer needs to provide lots of value. If your offer provides no value, then it's not actually going to be an offer which can actually help people, or people are actually keen to invest in. And you've got low capital investment and easy scalability. So essentially high demand, low competition, and easy and high profitability is what you're kind of looking for in your offer. Okay, so you need to find something that ticks all of these points here, and that's what you need to be offering in order to make $10,000 as quick as possible in 2023. Now, here we've got an offer which is an intelligent offer, and it's an offer which ticks all them boxes. So the offer is OnlyFans. So why is OnlyFans a good offer? Well, first, it has high demand. There's tons of guys wanting to speak to OnlyFans models. Sex sells, it always will. Next, you've got high profit margins. So high profit margins is really good for scalability of the offer. And next, you've got sustainability. So the offer is sustainable, which means it's going to be around for a while. And that basically makes a really good offer. So OnlyFans is a really good offer. However, we come across a specific issue. So some people, they don't have a passion for content creation. And if that's the case, then don't recommend starting an OnlyFans. I would then instead provide value to the market in exchange for a fee. So you don't even need to do your own OnlyFans and need to make your own content, because you could really absolutely hate creating content. So in that case, if you want to still capitalize on this crazy good offer, which people are making tons and tons of money from, then instead you can just provide value to the market in exchange for a fee. And if you do have a passion for creating content, then instead you can just start an OnlyFans to get to $10,000 a month as quick as possible in 2023. So we covered how many people go through plenty and plenty of offers, and they stumble across one which eventually works, and we've kind of fast-tracked that to offer on OnlyFans, and we've listed why OnlyFans is a good offer, which hopefully all makes sense. And now we've listed whether you like creating content or not, based on what you should do. So whether you should just start an OnlyFans or provide value to the market in exchange for a fee. So let's talk about the simplicity of scaling on OnlyFans and why that is the most intelligent path to $10,000 a month in 2023. So this is a very simple flow that you need to follow if you want to make money quick. Okay, and I'm talking ridiculously quick. So first you need to ask, do you have a model? Okay, if you don't have a model, then the first port of action is to recruit a model. And very simply, of course, there's different technical systems that are involved in the actual scaling of an OnlyFans agency. And in case you just want to fast track it even more, join our mentorship program where you get access to all the systems that I use to run my OnlyFans agency and much more as well. So yeah, the first system you need is you need to recruit a model. So you need to do more outreach, high quality outreach. And in the outreach, you need to provide more value in the outreach process. And it's very simple. So if you're going out to tons of people, providing tons of value to them, then it's only a matter of time till you're going to get a model recruited. It's non-existent in the sense of you go out into the market, you provide tons of value to people, and no one wants to work with you. That just doesn't happen. So if you're not getting a model, then it means you're going wrong in one of them two areas, okay? Next, you need to ask the model that you recruited, does the model have 400 plus subscribers? If it's not, you need to get more subscribers, okay? So the reason getting more subscribers is vital is because you're just not going to have enough subscribers in order to be making a decent amount. Now, these numbers do vary, okay? Because sometimes you can have very little subscribers. I mean, I know someone who had around about 20 subscribers on the OnlyFans account, and they're already making $10,000 a month. So it really does depend on the quality of subscribers. But in general, I'm just going to use this as kind of like a standard framework, okay? So does the model have 400 plus subscribers? If the answer is no, then you need to get more subscribers. And to get more subscribers, you need to do more promotion, more platforms, and higher quality promotion. So it's either going to be one of those three issues. Either you're not doing enough promotion, you just simply aren't uploading enough content to get enough eyeballs on your content to get traffic to the OnlyFans page, or you're just not on that many platforms. You could just be on one platform doing it tons. You are going to be getting traffic. However, you need to be on more platforms in order to get more eyeballs on your content again. And then, of course, you need high quality promotion. So I knew an OnlyFans model who joined our agency. She was doing tons and tons of content. However, all the content was really low quality, so we couldn't really do much about that. We had to really dive deep, get her actual equipment to improve the quality of her content, and get the right settings. So just need to improve the content in order to make it worth the while that she's spending making all this content. So you need to make sure you're taking off that. And then once you've got more subscribers, you need to ask yourself, is the average monthly value of a subscriber at $50? So some subscribers are going to be worth more than less, which is why we use the average. And if that's not the case, then you can very simply, you just want to increase the subscriber value, which you can do by sending out more pay-per-view messages, sending out dynamic pay-per-view messages at the right pricing, starting more sexting sessions with your model subscribers, selling more custom requests, and then also having a higher quality community nurturing. So whether that's playing games within the community, being more active on the wall feed, being more active when it comes to talking to subscribers, just making sure that the community is very high quality and it makes fans want to be coming back for more, okay? So if you tick off all these things, you recruit a model, you get the model more subscribers, 400 plus, and you increase the subscriber value above $50, then that means at a 50% rev share with the model, that's a $10,000 a month in profit business, because everything we just listed is for free. So you can do, the OnlyFans platform is free. Of course, they take a percentage of earnings. However, it is a free platform to use. You can get a model for free just by doing some basic outreach. You can promote the model on social media for free. Again, it's all free. So that's $10,000 a month profit business. And that is really unheard of. However, this is the most intelligent path to $10,000 a month in 2023. And if you're doing something else and you're not following this simple flow and you want to make money as quick as possible, I would really question why you're doing what you're doing, because this really is a super easy way to make money if that's your goal. Of course, if you're looking to build something else, that's perfectly fine. However, if you just want to make money, then this is going to be the most intelligent path to do that in 2023. So I hope this video was valuable to you guys. If it was, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Make sure to join our Facebook communities where we do free live trainings. And if you're interested in scaling an OnlyFans agency to 50K a month as fast as possible, make sure to book in a call with myself where we can look at whether you'd be a good fit for my consulting program. So guys, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.